Okay, so Python tasks, right? Which you're going to center. Okay, so number one, what we have to give you. Okay, so you need to write your name, comma class, comma father name, comma contact, comma email in Python. This is a task number one, okay?
Right.
Start it now. Okay, now the next is program to calculate it down. Right, program to calculate area of terrain. So you have to perform these two programs, okay?
Okay, sorry, I got the first one.
Have we get the output and picture?
Yeah, I'm sending it here. Right.
Sending? Okay. So like we need to take a variable for name is equal to str input. Have you done like this? Enter your, I need to inverted commas. Enter your name, right? Okay. Then you need to take, what is the next variable? Class and father name. Okay. So next is level. Level is equal to integer input. Enter your class, right? Then father
So I
name.
sent.
You send me?
Oh.
Oh yes, perfect. Very good. Enter your name, Hamza. Why there's no space between name and Hamza? Like you can see class 112. There should be a
Oh,
space.
I did it like that.
So you need to
I
make,
forgot to press space.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. But although the program is perfect, yeah, it's perfect. So what is the next program? Area of a triangle. First, you need
Yeah.
to find out the area of a triangle. Do you know the area of a triangle?
Yeah.
Okay. So here you need to write father name is equal to string input, enter your father's name, right? And then we need to print name, print level, print atomic. Let's see the print. Wow. So name after class 9, father name after. Oh, F is not defined. Why did we define F? F. I think this is how you're going to take an output, right? So you need to put a comma, right? Column, okay? So you will get a space in between, right? Okay. Our another task is write a program to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit, right? Right.
I don't see it.
Just a second. I'm sharing it. Write a program to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit, right? So this is your task number 3. Write a program. So did you know the formulas of Celsius and Fahrenheit? You can take it from internet, right?
Okay.
Okay, everything. Okay, now we are going to make a program. So you can take Celsius value should be fixed, like you're taking Celsius as 32, right? Okay. Then we need to take a formula of Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius into 1.8 Celsius into 1.8 plus 32. So we need to make a bracket for it. And we need to make plus 32, right? Then we have to print it. Print FAH. So let's see how does it works. Okay, 89.6. We got it in Fahrenheit, but we need to modify it. We can modify it by make it Celsius input. So Celsius is equal to integer input, enter the temperature in Celsius, right? So we need to modify the program accordingly. So it's up to you, right? That's okay. Then we need to write print the temperature in Fahrenheit will be like this. First, we need to make a column, then this, then comma, then SCELCIUS. Let's see another way. Okay, it's working. Yes, enter the temperature in Celsius. So now this time I'm going to input the temperature by my own. So I'm input right 44 degrees Celsius, right? So the temperature, oh, sorry, I forget it. I need to write FAH, Fahrenheit here, okay? FAH. Then let's check it again. Okay, 44. Yes. 111.2. What do you think, Hamza? Is that same program? I want some modification in your program. I give you a clear concept of it.
So I don't understand how to do it.
You don't understand how to do?
No.
Okay. Did you understand? How did I do this or not?
Let me open notes.
Listen. This is a variable Celsius. I'm going to input it. Acha, I have done it in two ways. In the first way, what I done, I fixed the value of Celsius, 18. No, sorry, 22, I think. Did you see that or not?
Right.
Okay, you got it, na? But what I think, yaar, why don't I input the Celsius temperature? So it's up to you. तुम अगर कहते हो sir, मुझे Celsius के लिए fix करवा दीजिए. Look, I have fixed it. Now I'm going to execute my program. See. Good. Look, 71.6. But then I think why I'm going to fix it. Why don't I make it input by my own? So I change it like this. Right? So then I have input the value of Fahrenheit formula, Celsius into 1.8 plus 32. Then I print with a message. So the temperature in Fahrenheit will be inverted commas close. There is a comma for the separation and the variable FAH. Let's see.
Right.
Yes, Hamza, पूछो. Look.
So कुछ नहीं पूछना क्या right? Okay, ठीक है.
Sorry.
कुछ नहीं sir.
नहीं ना पूछो. Confusion है तो पूछो. देखो ये.
So I have no question.
चलो. अच्छा फिर ये कॉपी करो जल्दी से, एग्जीक्यूट करो, मुझे पिक्चर भेजो. क्लियर है? कोई कंफ्यूजन?
No.
चलो बेटा, शाबाश.